Welcome back to yet another nonfiction edition of 40 Screencast. We're going to add and really go in depth on our third question to keep in mind when annotating nonfiction. Let's recap real quick. Nonfiction. Body of work that appears to tell readers about the real world, the world we live in. The questions. We've talked about what surprised me. What's the author think I already knew? And now today, what challenged, changed, or confirmed what I think I already knew? Interesting. All right. What challenge, changed, or confirmed? Here's what it really comes down to. Does it confirm? Does it, align with what you think you already know? Makes you think, okay, I was right. So modifiers start to change your thinking even a little bit. Maybe I should think about this. I might not be completely accurate. Or does it make you think, oh, wow, this is completely different than what I've been thinking? It's possible. I'm going to have you write this down. Here's some sentence starters. When you come across something where you're really starting to think, all right, was I right? Should I rethink about this? And when you read, you're reading to learn. And sometimes you're learning things that you start to realize, I didn't know everything I thought I did, or I need to investigate this a little bit more. So here's some sentence starters. At first I thought, but now I had to rethink whatever it is. My understanding changed when I was right or wrong about. So I want to give you a couple seconds on Ed Puzzle to pause this for you to write it down. And that's exactly what we're going to kind of annotate today. In addition to surprises, in addition to what the author thinks I knew. All right. What's challenging or changing or making me think about what I think I know? And we're going to use these sentence starters. Because think of it this way. How many of you try new food? First, you're like, ugh, it's going to be disgusting. But then you try it, and it ends up being okay. You've changed your mind. Or, I was on vacation once and I had this really exotic dish. I don't know if it'll be as good here in the United States. Yep, it's just the way I remember it. It's good. So you're challenging your concepts on food. It's the same thing when we read. All right, we're going to pick up with this as a class. So make sure you know the sentence starters. Wardy is out.